Hello to everyone, hope you have a good day. This is Strictly Software, representing about SolidWorks. Here we are going to see about basics of Sketch. Let's get started. We are going to see about the trim option in this video. Trim option consists of two tools. Trim entities and extend entities. Some may use to cut lines and another may use to extend lines. Trim entities consists of 5 types. Power trim, corner, trim away inside, trim away outside, trim to closest. Power trim. You can use power trim to trim multiple, adjacent sketch entities by dragging the pointer across each sketch entity. Corner. Trims 2 sketch entities until they intersect at a virtual corner. Trimming, with trim away inside. Trims, open sketch entities that lie inside 2 bounding entities. Trimming, with trim away outside. Trims, open entities outside of 2 bounding entities. Trimming, with trim to closest. Used to trim a line or curve bounded by 2 entities. By next, you can get clear view of trim to closest with the star example. Extend entities. You can add to length of a sketch entity. Use extend entities to meet another sketch entity. Welcome to the secret section. First one is we can draw lines or curves between 2 entities or 2 curves, by the use of the power trim tool. By holding the control button, while selecting the entities. Next one is, a corner or an intersecting point can be made with the use of corner tool. Thank you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.